Hey friends, welcome back to the Grocery Ninja. After 8 months of living out of our pantry, I'm finally restocking it. And this video will show you how smart shopping on a budget achieves that. Here's what I picked up. 9 jars of Alfredo sauce. These were on sale and they're perfect for pasta nights or casseroles. 6 instant vanilla puddings. These are perfect for quick desserts. And 11 Philadelphia cream cheese. Yep, 11 because they freeze beautifully and I use them in dips and frostings and baking all year. Last week I had 0 points. Now I've got $60 in points that I can use for my next grocery trip. I did this in 2 transactions. I spent a total of $84.74 and I got $50 in rewards points, and I got another $10 in rewards points for that gift card. This is exactly how I rebuild my pantry. I shop the sales, buy multiples of versatile items, and I let the rewards snowball into more free groceries. It's a cycle. Use the points when you need to, and then rebuild them with smart sales so you're always stocked without overspending. Thanks for joining me in the Grocery Ninja kitchen. I hope you'll come back to see how I'm saving money on groceries and how you can too. I hope you'll like and share and subscribe, because we're all struggling with the cost of groceries today and we can all use as much help as we can. Thanks so much. Have a great day. See you next time.